What's up, travelers? Today I'm in Helsinki, Finland, on my way to Seoul, South Korea in Finnair's A350 business class. I had an hour before boarding and decided to check out their business class lounge. The lounge offered a great selection on food and beverage, but I did find it hard to find a seat as it was during peak hours. After I finished my meal, I decided to go to my gate and start boarding. Business class is seating in a 1-2-1 seat configuration. I chose to sit in seat 4L, which gave me a great window view. Business class was pretty empty on this flight, which made vlogging easier as I didn't have to be really considerate to any passengers next to me. For my welcome drink, I had their signature drink, which consisted of Finnish gin and cranberry. I'm typically not a big gin guy, but Finnish gin is probably the smoothest I ever had. Now, for my dinner, I had to special order this on their website, and it's not normally offered on their flight meals, but I was able to get some reindeer meat for my meal selection. I was kind of scared, but curious at the same time on how it tasted. Who would have thought reindeer meat was so good? I'm sad to say, I'm sorry, Rudolph. For dessert, I was offered some wine, cheese, and crackers, but shortly after being served, the flight attendant insisted that I try their ice cream. I'm a sucker for dessert, so it didn't take much to convince me. Alright guys, just finished up my meal and just in the bathroom freshening up before I go to bed. Unfortunately, Finnair does not provide any pajamas, so definitely a little travel tip. Make sure you bring some comfort clothes to change into, just in case if you want to sleep in comfortable clothes. But I should be fine. I have about 6 hours left, so I'll be alright. But anyways, I'm in the bathroom and I want to show you guys something really cool that I've never experienced in a bathroom before. I'll show you guys real quick. Look at this. This is a window out, so you can do your business and have a nice view if you're a guy. But I mean, if you're a lady or you know, you're gonna do number 2, then I guess you won't have that view. But still kind of cool to see that little window in the bathroom. But check out the amenities in the bathroom. You have some hand cream. This is some Glow Boost Essence. Not sure what that might be. And we still have some. It looks like facial mist to kind of freshen up your hair, your head. Yeah. Looks pretty standard, so not too much stuff, but enough talk. I'm gonna get back to my seat because I'm a little bit tired from all the jet lag and traveling so far, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. For breakfast, I had some fresh fruit, pastries, yogurt, and some type of bakery with some sort of cheese in the middle. I forgot the name of the actual dish, but it was actually delicious. I loved it. Alright guys, just checked into my hotel here in downtown Seoul, and I just want to give you guys a quick recap of what I thought of Finnair since I've never flown with them. But overall, I would say I definitely would fly Finnair again for 2 reasons. One of them is that the flight attendants were very friendly and talkative to everybody, and just not to myself but everyone. And second, I would say the meal was amazing. It's been a while since I've had really good food on an airline. I typically fly with Asian carriers, and they kind of, in my opinion, kind of set the standard of what service and food should be on an airline, but obviously not everyone could match their service and food. But I'm glad that Finnair is able to keep up par with them. So definitely enjoyed that. So as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up on this video and comment below what you guys thought. As always, consider subscribing for more travel weekly videos, and I'll see you guys next time.